This is the Rankine Cycle Interactive Calculator, which analyzes the thermodynamic performance of steam power cycles. The calculator has 6 calculation modes: calculate cycle efficiency and net work, calculate turbine work output, calculate pump work input, calculate boiler heat addition, calculate steam quality at turbine exit, and calculate back work ratio. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate cycle efficiency and net work. You'll need to input 7 values. Enthalpy at state 1 in kilojoules per kilogram, enthalpy at state 2, enthalpy at state 3, enthalpy at state 4, saturated liquid enthalpy, evaporation enthalpy, and mass flow rate in kilograms per second. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 191.8 for H1, 192.5 for H2, 3230.9 for H3, 2325.8 for H4, 191.8 for HF, 2392.8 for HFG, and 100 for mass flow rate. After clicking Calculate, we get a thermal efficiency of 29.77%, network output of 904.40 kilojoules per kilogram, heat addition of 3038.40 kilojoules per kilogram, and heat rejection of 2134.00 kilojoules per kilogram. The status shows this is typical power plant efficiency. Find the link in the description below.